Course management actions help you control the entire lifecycle of your course, from launch to suspension or deletion. This allows you to reuse course templates and keep your workspace organized and efficient. You can pause, duplicate, or delete a course by clicking the Actions button and selecting the desired option. Pausing a course makes it unavailable for new students but keeps it in your account with the status inactive. All student data and progress are preserved. Those who have already completed or started the course can still access the materials and their certificates if they earned them before the pause. To pause a course, use the Course Suspension button. The duplicate option allows you to create a copy of a course, which can serve as a template for a new one. All settings and the course structure are copied. You'll just need to enter a new name and address. Delete permanently removes the course from your account. Only student contact information remains in the CRM, while their progress and certificates are deleted permanently. Course materials such as videos and documents remain available in the File Manager. Additionally, you can copy the student login link, which will be saved to your clipboard for easy sharing. If a course hasn't yet been launched or was previously paused, you can make it available to students by clicking Course Start. Once launched, it will appear in the student's personal account for anyone who's registered.